Hey civil engineers, welcome to my channel Civil Unboxing. In this video I will show you the step-by-step process of flooring calculation, where we would cover on the topics of what is flooring, tiles and its quantity estimation. Hi, my name is Suman and I make videos on civil engineering practical knowledge. So before going to the topic, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any upcoming civil engineering update. So let's unbox the topic first without wasting any time. So here is the common question: what is flooring calculation? So basically a floor is the bottom surface of a room. Flooring is the general term for a permanent covering of a floor or the work of installing such as floor covering. A lot of variety exists in the flooring and so mainly we have four types of floor. First one is mud floor, second one is brick floor, third one tiles floor and fourth one cement concrete floors. Now the next common question arises: what is the importance of flooring? Flooring is the one of the most important aspects of the house or business area. The floor is the part of the building on which the occupants move and materials are stored. It is the horizontal component of a building structure on which dividing the building into different levels for the purpose of creating more accommodation within a restricted space. Flooring provides a smooth, clean, impervious, durable, colorful, hard and attractive surface. It is a cover which has to offer resistance to wear and tear due to human movement. What is tiles calculation? A tile is a thin object, usually square or rectangular in shape. Tile is a manufactured piece of hard-wearing materials such as ceramic, stone, metal, baked clay, generally used for covering roofs, floors, walls and other objects such as tabletops. Some of the most popular types of tiles are marble tiles, ceramic tiles, granite tiles, terrazzo tiles and limestone tiles also. So guys, alright, let's jump into the main concept of the flooring quantity estimation. Let's take the size of the room is 3 meter by 4 meter. As you can clearly see, the size of the floor in this diagram is 3 meter by 4 meter, which covers 12 square meter or 129.16 square feet of area. Now there are some of the standard tile size, such as for floor we mainly use 300 mm by 600 mm or 600 mm by 600 mm, 610 by 610 and 800 by 800. And for wall also we use 250 by 300, 300 by 450 and 300 by 600. These are some of the standard patterns. Now for flooring we take 610 mm by 610 mm size of the tiles, which covers the area of 4 square feet by each tiles. So for covering the tiles with the tiles of 610 by 610 size, the total numbers of tiles we need is 129.16 by 4. So we got approx 33 numbers of tiles. Alright, now to calculate the flooring cement mortar ratio of 1:6 for tiles fixing on the floor, the total quantity of cement we required is volume of bedding is equal to flooring area multiplied by 0.05 meter. Assume that the thickness of mortar is equal to 50 mm. or we can say 12 multiplied by 0.05 equal to 0.6 cubic meter. Now to find out the cement quantity, we just jump into ratio and proportion formula. Volume of bed into cement ratio by total sum ratio. As we got 0.6 multiplied by 1 divided by 7. So we got 0.085 cubic meter of cement. And as we know, the density of cement equals to 1440 kg per cubic meter. Weight of cement is equal to 0.085 by 1440 equals to 122.4 kgs. And to convert the net quantity of cement in bags, we just have to divide the total weight of cement by 50 kgs. And we got as 2.44 bags. Roughly we can say that 2.5 bags of cement we required. Now to find out sand quantity, we again jump into ratio and proportion formula. Volume of bed multiplied by sand ratio divided by total sum ratio, which is equal to 0.6 multiplied by 6 divided by 7 equals to 0.514 cubic meter of sand. As we know, the density of sand is equal to 1600 kg per cubic meter. So the net weight of sand is equals to 0.514 multiplied by 1600 is equal to 822.4 kgs. Alright, at last we can say that for a 12 square meter room area, we need 33 numbers of tiles of 610 by 610 mm size, 2.5 bags of cement and 823 kgs of sand for 1:6 mortar ratio. So this is it for today. How you got the concept, please let me know by commenting below in the comment box. And if you think that something you have learned from this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your bold-hearted subscription always encourages me to make more videos like this. So that's it for today. Catch you in the